guests, our respectable teachers, our honorable guardians and other brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Muslim. I am the servant of Allah and Ummah Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I live in Talimuddin Islamic Center and Hifza Madrasa. Now I take to HP back and useless staff. Dunya is exam hall. Islam is our university. Quran is our syllabus. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our teacher. Allah Ta'ala is our judge. Should try to pass exam hall. Allah Ta'ala says, "We have seen the battle mouth. Everyone will test on that. Our life is momentary. In this life is the good or bad activities. For result go to Jannat and Jahannam. Jannat is unlimited peaceful place, but Jahannam is unlimited punishment place." That is very dangerous. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.